Hello, my name is Elena Gomez. I am 34 years old. I study distance psychology. I work as a stylist and I live in Armenia, Hindi. My day starts at 6 in the morning. I wake up. I wash my teeth. I take a shower. I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast for my husband and I. We have breakfast together and after each one leaves his work. I go to work at 8 o'clock in the morning and I work at the hairdresser until midday. At that time, I go out to lunch at home. I arrive and prepare lunch. I eat it and rest for a moment. Being on and a half return to work until 6 in the afternoon. At 6 o'clock in the afternoon, I arrive home, I take a shower and rest 15 minutes. Last, I get up to do chores of the house, sweep